Hello, my name is Nasser, and this is my demo for the final 3D project Milestone. In this project, I built a complete 3D game using the systems from all previous milestones. The player controls a 3D ship using a full WASD plus QE plus ZX layout. W and S move the ship forward and backward through physics forces, A and D on left and right, and Q and E roll the ship. And Z and X control the pitch. Gravity acts on the ship, and drag and angular drag are set to movement to feel smooth and controllable, as you can see here. There's a full camera system that follows the ship at an offset, so the camera always looks at a point in front of the ship. And you can adjust how far the camera is from the player using the O and L keys, as you can see here. For gameplay, I added health packs and astronaut pickups that float. When the player picks up a health pack, it hails the ship. Here, if I go into the console right here and pick up a health pack, which is the sphere over there, as you can see here, player hailed, current health 100. Also added astronaut pickups that float in, so when the player picks up an astronaut, the score goes up. So if I just remove the inspector right here, so the score is 0 right now. When I pick up the astronaut, you see the score goes up to 100, and you have the lives on the left up here as well. So the score increases in the UI updates. UFO enemies spawn from spawn points defined on the level and use a simple AI controller that seeks towards the player. As you can see here, this cube is following me. This is the UFO. I can change the speed of it by going here in the settings, and then let's just say, for example, I'll put it to 50. You see, it goes way faster. But for recording purposes, I'm just going to lower it back down. The UI includes a score display and basic menu flow. There's a start screen, a main menu for options to starting the game, viewing credits and settings, and quitting to the desktop. Settings allow the player to control music and sound effect volumes, and those values are saved in Lotus so they persist between the runs. I've begun implementing lives and death behavior so UFO collisions will eventually feed into the full game and overflow with high scores. I plan to keep refining that systems. I also plan to replace the temporary UFO, health pack, and astronaut placeholders with proper models that better match their roles in the game. I've been actively trying to search for better models. It's just been kind of hard trying to find the ones I'm looking for, but I am actively looking for those. But yeah, so that's the current state of my project for this milestone, and thank you so much for watching.